Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I'm doing a different unboxing for you guys. So as you probably know, because I feel like I've spoken about it ad nauseum, I recently had a birthday, and one of the things that my husband got me for my birthday, because he's trying so hard to support me and my channel, which I think is so wonderful and beautiful, but he said, I found a new makeup subscription that I think that you might like. And it's called the Allure Box. And I kind of giggled and I was like, yes, I used to have that subscription and I canceled it at the same time that I canceled all of my subscriptions, which was right after I learned that we were pregnant with twins, and I was freaking out because, you know, kids are expensive and double kids are expensive. So I thought it was very cute that he went out and tried to find me a new subscription because it was a kind thing to do. But I'm actually really excited to break into this because when I had the subscription probably 2 years ago at this point, since the girls are over a year old now, it was, I want to say $15 a month. And now it's like $25 a month. So I'm really interested to see what changes they may have made in order to justify that kind of price hike. So let's go ahead and bust this baby open. Also, when it used to come before, it came in individual boxes. In fact, if you've seen my empties video, typically my empties are in one of the Allure boxes that I used to get back in, I was gonna say back in the day, but come on now, 2 years is not back in the day. And now it's just in one self-contained box that has all of the mailing information on the other side. So I've already cut it open, but I'm interested to see what we have in here. Let me grab what just fell out. All right, so the two things that fell out was something about brushes. So I'm guessing that there is some sort of tool in the box. And then also the little pamphlet that comes with it that lets you know about all of, oh, yep, definitely brush. All of the things that are in the package. So that's always nice. So let's see what we have in this baby here. So let's go ahead and take out the things that are gonna fall. So the first one comes to us from Oribe. It is the Flash Foam Finishing Spray Wax. Clearly, I don't do my hair, so that'll be interesting. I might actually just give this to him because he does, when he does his hair, which neither of us really do our hair all that often these days because we don't leave the house. But he does Zoom calls and things like that for his job. So some days he does his hair and he uses hairspray. So maybe he'll give this a try. Maybe I'll give it a try. We shall see. But that is definitely, this is a deluxe sample size rather than a full size. This is from ESPA, not completely sure. I have not heard of this brand, but this is their Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. I do really quite like this packaging, to be honest with you. The bottom right here, it kind of looks like a stone. I actually think it looks really just kind of sleek and nice. But this is a purifying mask to balance and deep clean. For best results, smooth generously over face, neck, and décolleté. Relax for 20 minutes before rinsing away with warm water. Cool, okay. Looking forward to trying that. This on top is what appears to be a full-size product. It's in the box. This is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peeling Gel. This I'm excited about. This has been on my Sephora wish list for a while. If I'm remembering correctly, this is one of the ones that kind of balls up on itself. So I'm really interested to give this a try. So this is what the packaging itself looks like. I actually really love this pink that the Saturday Skin is in. I think it just looks really, I don't know, kind of happy and nice. So that's exciting. I will definitely update you on how this works as well as on the other mask. All right, so we still have some other items in here. Already it seems like we're getting more than what I remember. If my memory serves correctly, when I had the subscription before, it came with 5 typically deluxe sample sized products. I think occasionally we got like a full size lipstick. But for the most part, it was deluxe samples. So this seems to now be a blend of samples and full sizes, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, so we have this right here. This is from MAC, I want to say. Yes, this is the Magic Extensions 5mm Fiber Mascara. I've never tried this before, so I am kind of interested to give that a try. Although if you've seen my inventory, you know that I have absolutely no need for mascara for the next like 5 years. In this really pretty red box, I don't know why I love this color red. Something about it's just really nice. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This is a word that I don't think I can try to say because I will absolutely massacre it. Dong Inbi? I don't know. But it's got a lot of what appears to be Japanese or Korean writing on it. So, oh, it says made in Korea, so probably, okay, I will have to, let's see if we can find it in here so that I know what this is, because I can't read any of it. Okay, so this is, it's an essence. All right, it is made with anti-inflammatory red ginseng extract. Not only hydrates tired skin, but coddles it when it needs soothing the most. Okay, sounds good. This is a deluxe sample size, so very excited to give this a try. I love Korean skincare. All right, we have something in bubble wrap right here. This is, ooh, it's an eyeshadow from Natasha Denona. That's exciting. I have one other that's a single. I want to say it's a bronze shade. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. It is in the shade Morgana. I wonder if I have the palette that this comes from. I'm not sure. Ooh, and it's also kind of broken. Oh, that's a bummer. All right, let me set this down. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. And I think you can maybe see it's definitely come loose from its pan. Oh, but that color. Let me see if I can show this to you without destroying it. That color is beautiful. I wonder if this is from the Sunset palette. Let me give it a swatcheroo for you. You guys know, I love Natasha Denona eyeshadows. The quality is just so nice. This is what it looks like. I'll have to check my Sunset palette because I feel like this would go really well with that. That is really very beautiful. It's an orange with a gold shift to it, and I love it. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Super excited about that. I can probably repress it back into the pan. It's just kind of a bummer that it came dislodged, which honestly, I've had that problem before. The very first Natasha Denona product that I ever purchased was a holiday 5-pan a couple of years ago. It was a hot mess. That whole launch was a hot mess. Everybody that I saw who did reviews had problems with the eyeshadows pulling out of the pan. I ended up returning it, which was heartbreaking, but the larger palettes I've never had that problem with. It just was that full-sized 5-pan, if that makes sense. Anyway, okay, 2 more items left in this box. One of which appears to be a face mask. You guys know I don't purchase face masks anymore, the sheet masks, but I am happy to try them when they arrive to me. They just create a lot of waste, so I don't purchase them intentionally, but this is by, I guess, the brand Wen. This is the Glamour Base. When you need a fabulous base for flawless skin, prepare with the Wen Glamour Base Premium Biocellulose Sheet Mask for face. Contains effective ingredients to help your skin look smooth and firm. I like that. Those are things that I want my skin to have. And then finally, I have a feeling that these are the brushes. LaRousse, is that the name? It's not a brand that I have heard of before, but this packaging, really, really, really beautiful. I don't even want to open it. It's so pretty. So it appears to be kind of a cardboard that has like a pull strip right here. Oh, it makes me very sad to take this apart. And I broke it. Tried really hard not to, but I broke it. And okay, I've got 3 brushes inside. And I do actually really like receiving brushes in subscription boxes. I know that that's kind of a, I don't want to say polarizing, but people aren't typically in the middle. Either they really like it or they really don't. These look really nice. I really love, so that's what the brushes themselves look like. They are nice and small, so they're definitely eyeshadow, but they look like they're good for detailing. I really like the feel of the handles. It's got this sort of quilted sort of look and feel to it. I like the dark gunmetal with a teeny bit of blue for the ferrule. These look really nice. I'm actually really excited about these. Yeah, so all right, Allure. I'm picking up what you're putting down. So yeah, I don't know what the overall value of this box would be. I don't think they operate in that way, but I'm really excited to try some of these products that I've never used before, and I'm really looking forward to updating you guys in the future about how I feel about it. So I think he only got me a 3-month subscription, which honestly for me is fine. I will definitely open it with you guys, the ones that arrive in the future. I don't know that I will extend it beyond that, because one of the other reasons that I canceled all of my subscriptions is because I'm just drowning in products. And as much as I enjoyed receiving the subscription boxes, oftentimes there were only a couple of products out of the 5 that is pretty standard that I really loved or get a lot of use out of. Everything else was just sort of there, and I still have all of those products that were just sort of there. So I've really been trying to work through a lot of that. So I don't know that I'll extend it beyond that 3 months. We'll just have to wait and see, but I'm excited to open them with you. Have you been getting Allure? It's one that I don't really hear a lot of people talking about. And if you have been, how have you been enjoying it? I'm interested to know. As always, everything that I'm wearing on my face is going to be linked in the description box below. So if you're curious, check it out. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.